Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and signing in so your files sync. Once signed in, grant storage and microphone permissions. This lets you save and use dictation. Tap a template or new document to begin. This is faster than manual formatting. If you have an external keyboard, connect it now. If not, enable the on-screen keyboard and handwriting panel. Make sure autosave is on for OneDrive. That prevents lost edits while you follow the next steps. You'll edit using touch or pen, tap text to place the cursor, drag to select, then use the ribbon for styles and lists. Once done selecting, apply heading levels so navigation works with the document outline. Insert images and tables from the Insert menu, resize with corner handles. Use Draw to annotate with a stylus, and try dictation for long passages. Speak punctuation out loud. Make sure to switch input modes when needed so formatting remains consistent. You finish by saving and sharing. Confirm auto-save to OneDrive or use Save As to export PDF or local files. Once done, tap Share to set view or edit permissions and add a message. Track changes and comments if collaborating. If something goes wrong, first check your internet and account sign-in. If sync still fails, force a local save. Export a copy to device storage, then reopen Word. That single step often fixes stuck uploads and preserves your work.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.